Computer network architecture is defined as the physical and logical design of how computers, software, hardware should be organized and connected. Simply, we can say that how computers are organized and which tasks are allocated to which computer. There are two important computer network architecture. Number one, peer-to-peer architecture, and second is a client-server architecture. Peer-to-peer network. All the computers in a computer network are connected with every computer in the network. There is no central computer or server in peer-to-peer network. In client-server network architecture, there is a central computer. This central computer acts as a server and serve all the requests from client computers. All the data is stored in this server. When the request is made by a client computers, this data share with all the client computers. Computer network types. So what we have learned so far, a computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with another computer and share their resources, data and applications. There are different types of computer networks. They can be categorized by their size. A computer network is mainly of four types: LAN, local area network; PAN, personal area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. PAN stand for personal area network. PAN is a computer network organized around an individual. There are two types of PAN. Wide personal area network using a USB, and the other one is wireless personal area network, use wireless network technology and wireless USB or Bluetooth. LAN, local area network. A group of devices, for example, computers, laptops, servers, printers, they are located in a same building. They are close to each other. This is what LAN is. MAN, metropolitan area network, is a class of network which serve a large geographical area between 5 to 50 kilometers in range. Metropolitan area networks are typically larger than local area networks but smaller than wide area networks. WAN, wide area network. WAN connect computer over a wide area such as from region to region or even continent to continent. The internet is the largest wide area network, connecting billions of computers worldwide.